Imagine a role where technology, business, and human intuition meet. That's the world of the AI product manager, a position rising at lightning speed as companies race to integrate artificial intelligence into every corner of our lives. But what does this job actually involve? And why might it be one of the most important careers of the future? At its core, an AI product manager is the bridge between cutting-edge AI technologies and real-world business solutions. They don't necessarily code algorithms themselves, but they understand how AI works, what problems it can solve, and how to transform those solutions into products people want and trust. Think of them as translators, turning the complex language of data science into strategies, features, and experiences users can benefit from. So what skills does an AI product manager need? First, a solid grasp of AI concepts, machine learning, natural language processing, and data pipelines. They don't need to be engineers, but they must understand enough to communicate effectively with technical teams. Next, strong product management skills, market research, user empathy, and roadmap creation. Finally, leadership and communication are essential. AI is still intimidating for many, and product managers must inspire confidence while ensuring ethical and responsible AI use. Now, let's talk about salary. Because this is such a specialized role, AI product managers often command higher pay than traditional product managers. In the United States, salaries can range from $120,000 to over $180,000 annually, depending on experience and location. In Europe and Asia, compensation is also rising as demand outpaces supply. The truth is simple: companies are willing to invest heavily in professionals who can unlock the business potential of AI. But what about the future? Experts predict that AI will not just create new products but new markets entirely. That means AI product managers will become central figures in shaping industries like healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. Their influence won't stop at building tools, it will extend to setting ethical guidelines, deciding how much automation is acceptable, and ensuring that AI enhances human life instead of replacing it. Here's the practical takeaway: if you're considering a career in technology and want to future-proof your path, this role is worth exploring. Start by strengthening your knowledge of AI fundamentals, practice core product management techniques, and build a portfolio that shows how you can connect the dots between AI innovation and business strategy. Now, here's the big question: with AI advancing faster than ever, do you believe the role of AI product manager will eventually become one of the most powerful jobs in tech?